So today's math assignment is to create 5 solve and check multi-step equations. I've created 5. If you would like, I can share this document with you, and you can do the rest of them. I'm going to do the first, I don't know. I'm going to do the odd one, so I'll do 3 of them with you, okay? So let's start with the first one. Okay, we have 8x plus 6 equals 4x minus 14. I'm going to move my smallest x, so I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. Okay, these cancel each other out. 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my 6 to the other side. Excuse me. Right now I have a plus 6. To move it to the other side, I'm going to subtract 6. Okay, the 6's cancel each other out. That leaves me with 4x equals negative 20. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. And x equals negative 5. Okay, so now I'm going to take my original problem. I'm going to substitute in a negative 5 everywhere I have an x. So 8 times negative 5 plus 6 equals 4 times negative 5 minus 14. Okay, I'm going to do the multiplication first. 8 times negative 5 is negative 40. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Okay, negative 40 minus 6 is negative 34. Negative 20 minus 14 is also negative 34. So it checks. Okay, let's look at question number 3. I'm going to look for my smallest x. I have 13x and I have 20x. My smallest x is negative 13, or is 13, so I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. Okay, these cancel each other out. Leaves me with 14. 20 minus 13 is 7. Okay, now I'm going to add 21 to both sides because I want to get the x by itself. These cancel each other out. Leaves me with 7x on this side. 14 plus 21 is 35. Divide both sides by 7. And that excuse me, and that gives me that x equals 5. Okay, I'm going to go back to my original equation. Everywhere I have an x, I'm going to substitute in a 5. So 14 plus 13 times 5 equals 20 times 5 minus 21. Okay, I'm going to do the multiplication first. 13 times 5 13 times 5 is 65. And 20 times 5 is 100. I should have known that one. 14 plus 65 is 79. What did I do? Okay, sorry about that. 14 plus 65 is 79. And 100 minus 21 is also 79. Okay, and that one checks. Okay. Okay, and just for fun, I threw in a problem with a fraction in it. So first step, we need to get rid of this fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2, because right now the 2 is dividing what's up above it. Okay, this gets rid of my fraction and leaves me with negative 8 minus 3x equals 22. Okay, I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Which gives me 30. And divide by negative 3. And that gives me x, sorry, equals negative 10. Okay, go back to my original equation. I'm going to substitute in negative 10 everywhere I have an x. So negative 8 equals negative 3 times negative 10 equals 11 divided by 2. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is my multiplication. Negative 3 times negative 30 is positive. Negative 3 times negative 10 is positive 30, because a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay. Now I can do one of two things. I can add negative 8 plus 30, or I can divide 8 by 2, and I can divide 30 by 2. Either one is going to give me the same answer. I'm going to go ahead and subtract or add the 2. So negative 8 plus 30 is 22. And 22 divided by 2 is 11. And 11 equals 11. Okay, so there's 3 of your 5 problems. Remember, you need to take a picture of them and submit it to Mrs. Kajan when you're done. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, bye.